Hey guys, Wesson Parts here at High Desert Harley-Davidson. I'm standing in front of a 2020 Road Glide Special. This particular bike is a pretty special bike, one of our very, very good customers. Shout out to George. This is number 6 and they all look this good. I'm gonna start with the motor here. So we dropped a 131 bolt-on conversion on this bike. Harley came out with earlier this year a 128 for the 107s and a 131 for the 114 and 117 Milwaukee 8 touring models. 131 is when we went with this, and we blacked out all the components, push rods, lifter blocks, rocker covers, you name it. Looks very, very good, especially with the special being a blacked out model. So going to bars, MJK Performance. They have a entire MX moto setup. This is a 12-inch end rise. We replace the top triple tree and eliminate the ignition switch. So this bike acts like a CVO model. You walk up to it with your fob, flip your ignition switch on the bars, start it up, and you're ready to go. No more 4 o'clock or swing ignition switch. We paired it with Harley's heated Kahuna grips. So he's got heated grips, MX bars, looks very good. Kind of switched it up a little bit. I'm gonna go to the front of the bike. So Klock Werks windshield, it's their flare. Forever and ever, they've been the best windshield for these fairing bikes. They have a nice sweep, acts like a big tall windshield, pretty awesome. We did Harley's wrap fender, alloy arts, turn signals, so we got rid of the bullet style turn signals, gives it a very low profile, sleek look, along with Harley's low profile engine guard. This particular customer does not like floorboard, so thankfully Harley came out with a footboard to footpeg conversion kit, and we paired it with Flo Motorsports all the way around. So their brake lever, their pegs, passenger pegs on the other side, the shifter lever, all that good stuff. Threw a Saddlemen road sofa on it. Lattice stitched, gel core technology with rider backrest, about as good as it gets when it comes to a seat. We did Zero 3D. They have a light conversion kit. The filler panels, looks very, very good. This bike has a ton into it. You won't see one like it. It's very, very original. And again, thanks George for letting us do this one.